All right, just 8 months after the deadly Palisades and Eaton fires right in Los Angeles County, residents there are facing a new fire.
The Canyon Fire is one of several recent fires in the West that have exploded in growth due to extreme heat and dry, gusty winds. CBS News Miami's Nik Zecevic has more.
Firefighters in California are tackling a new blaze about 60 miles northwest of downtown Los Angeles. The Canyon Fire started near Lake Piru on Thursday and has spread rapidly due to strong winds, high temperatures, and extremely dry conditions. By late Thursday, 5,000 acres had burned.
We have all the animals in the car, important documents, and we're ready if we got to go.
I'm going to try to stay as long as I can to protect my home.
Thousands of residents have been forced to evacuate. The Canyon Fire comes just 8 months after the deadly Palisades and Eaton fires in Los Angeles County and has put residents on high alert. The California Department of Forestry and Fire Protection said the Canyon Fire is burning at a rapid speed and it's threatening power lines and multiple communities. This is the 4th major fire in the state in recent days. The Gifford Fire has scorched nearly 100,000 acres so far. As California's biggest wildfire of the year, firefighters say the wild terrain has made it difficult to use mechanized equipment.
We have a lot of thick chaparral, which is really tough to get through. So we've got hand crews and hot shots just getting after it as hard as they can with just their hand tools.
This week, flames made their way towards residential communities in San Luis Obispo County. The sheriff's office asked residents in Wasna to leave.
We've been packing for 2 days now.
And fires are burning beyond California, including 2 blazes that merged in Colorado. And the Dragon Bravo fire still burning in the Grand Canyon. Nik Zecevic, CBS News, Los Angeles County, California.